Hi, this is MS Tech here. Today in this session we will discuss how to develop a RDLC report in Visual Studio. In the last session we have discussed how to create an XSD. In the report we will show these details grouping on the create date, on one day there may be many contacts. Date wise we will show those contacts in the report. So first of all we have to create a XSD. Let us create the XSD quickly. I have prepared the SP. The name of the SP is get latest month contact. When we execute the SP, this way the data has been fetched, and to show in the RDLC report grouped on created date, we have formed the data this way. Create only date. I have discard the date time here, just kept the date part, and create date rank column has been created. You will understand why I have made this way when I will design the report. Let us go to the Visual Studio and create the XSD quickly. So the name of the SP is get latest month contact. I have already pasted here get latest month contact. Data set, the name of the table in the data set I have kept the same, and the name of the XSD I have named as get latest month contact XSD. Let us without pressing F5, let us do it from the IS. How to do it? Select local IS here. This is the localhost XSD writer. Create virtual directory. The was created successfully. Save. It has been saved. Let us copy this. Browse it in the Google Chrome. Name of the page is right access SPS. there is, we'll check after running the project. File should create there, file should have been created there. Locally C, there is no XSD at present. Okay, it has, the page has been displayed. Let us create on the right XSD file. XSD created successfully. This is the XSD has been created. Let us copy this XSD and paste it here. When we will design the report, this XSD will require. Okay, paste here. It has been shown here, get latest one contact.xsd. Okay, let us add a RDLC template now. RDLC, new item, RDLC. Okay, it has come. Report, yes, it has shown up. Sometimes in Visual Studio 2017 it does not show up after installing SQL Server Data Tools. Then we have to add an extension in the Visual Studio. Go to extension and updates. See Microsoft RDLC Report Designer. These have to enable here, add in this project Visual Studio. Then the RDLC template will show in the template list, otherwise you will not get the RDLC template in the list. And in Visual Studio 2015, when you install SQL Server Data Tools, it comes automatically, does not need to add anything, these things further. In Visual Studio 2017, this extension needs to be enabled in Visual Studio, otherwise these two template you will not get in this list. Okay, let us choose the first one, report 1.rdlc, latest contact, latest month contact. Let us name the report contacts RDLC, add This is the RDLC report viewer, the editor, RDLC editor, design editor. If you don't install SQL Server data tools in the machine, this will display like XML, like this way it will be displayed in the Visual Studio. Okay, let us put a header on this, at page header, name it, let us put a text box here. The header is the name of the header. The title of the header is latest contracts. Let us set the horizontal alignment as center. Okay, let us bold it. Fourteen points and bold. Okay, it is simply a header, and in this portion we will show the data. Okay, now the use of XSD comes. We have to bind the XSD here. We have to click add dataset. The name of the dataset should be the table name in the XSD. Let us check the name of the table name in the XSD. This one, get latest month contact. Let us go back to the designer, RDLC editor. Name of the dataset is get latest month contact. You have to select new dataset here, and this is the dataset available in the XSD. These are the field, and type name has been specified here. Whatever type name you have returned from the database, this will be and used when you creating the XSD will be displayed here. Okay, the dataset has been binded to the RDLC report. Now we'll create a matrix here, and with this control, table is control, we'll bind the dataset from the properties, dataset name. This is the dataset name, get latest month contact. We'll create group here, group properties, row group is create date text, and group 1 create only date. Sorting is sort by create only date, and it is Z to A. Bigger date, latest date will display on the top, and old date will display in the bottom in the report. Okay, we don't need any column group here, so we are delete group only. Will not delete the related rows and column to this group, only the group will delete. Row group is sufficient to work in this scenario. Let us the child group and created rank. This one is the grouping column. Okay, next we have to do a trick here. Before we have to press add total before to organize the tables to show the data hierarchy wise. So this is the parent group and this is the child group. Don't need this column. Delete columns only. Okay, we'll show here create date text. Receive date. Create date will display here. Set column right. Here will display the contact name. Contact mobile number. Contact email ID. Contact inquiry. You can see the ruler also. It is in centimeter, A4 size. For A4 size, 21 centimeters is the width, maximum width, and here it is less than 16.5 centimeter, so no problem, we can go with this design. Then save. This way we can create the RDLC report. So this way we can create the RDLC report and how to bind it to the XSD. Thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video to encourage me. Comment if you need the code. I will share with you. Thank you. Okay, in the next session we will discuss how to preview this report in an SPX space. Thank you very much.